Here's a 246, and I'm going to do a acetone versus aluminum polish headlight restoration. So I'm going to use aluminum polish in this one, and then acetone on this one. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm using a Scotch, so scoopy and spinny. I'm going to do that throughout the whole lens. Okay, I'm wiping the first coat. Any different? Yeah, it got a little bit clearer than that one. Okay, let me do a second coat. Scoop, spin. Okay, wiping it after the second application. Okay, I can somewhat see the bulb. I can somewhat see the bulb a little bit. And this is the before. I haven't cleaned it with acetone yet, so this is how it was, and this is with the aluminum polish. So it's a little bit of improvement. But okay, I poured some of the acetone in this microfiber right here, old one. I'm gonna slowly wipe it. Something. See, I guess that's just dirt, or maybe the oxidized plastic, I don't know. Okay, let me soak this lens in acetone, and then I'll show you what happens. So here they are. So they do look pretty much the same, or equally effective, but this one, the aluminum polish, it looks a little bit more clear, like it's almost the same, but this one you can still see the housing inside and a little bit of the bulb, but the one acetone one, it's not that clear, but it did clean up a little bit. But for both of them, they could not clean it as much as even the side markers right there, like those ones. This one's pretty close to the side marker, but it is not really clear. I guess these are really old, so probably I just have to sand them more with a sandpaper, and then do the whole thing again. To remove the top surface, the oxidized surface, with a higher grade of sanding paper, and then do it with a finer sandpaper, and then probably apply some of the aluminium polish and then clean it and probably spray a protectant. Just to see what happens, I tried putting in rubbing in aluminium polish on top of the one that I had put in acetone. Nothing happened. It's just the same. I just thought, since I'm already there, I might just try and see what happens. So that's the one with only the aluminium polish, and this one's one with the acetone washed and then aluminium polish. So they're the same. Nothing happens. Oh, there's no improvement on applying both. It's just they work the same.